Good day, everybody. I am Kaji Nazmul Haq Shejan from Bangladesh. I am going to discuss the idea of object-oriented programming in the lecture 2, week 6A, and I am going to elaborate the example, and that is a little bit confusing for the students who are just not good at programming and very new to the programming. So they are finding classes very difficult. I am going to elaborate it step by step so that you can understand the concept. My video will certainly help you to understand the mm, structure of classes and how you will approach to design your own classes and write your own programs. Okay, let's start. First of all, we'll import simple GUI, otherwise we cannot draw a frame. Okay, we have important simple GUI, and now we'll create the frame. Okay, frame equal to simple GUI dot create frame. Here is the name of the frame, and it will take width and height. Okay, we know it. Okay, let's define width and height at the starting of the program. Okay, so the canvas size is width and height size. Here the width is 600 and height is 400. For the ball which we are going to use, for that the radius is 20 and color is white, and you can make it red or green. Okay, make it green. Now we will draw a rectangle around the frame so that we can decide where the ball will collide. Okay, okay. Here we have set a draw handler, and in the handler we will draw the all of our everything, all of the stuff of the program. So defined, I have defined the draw canvas. Okay, let's see, we'll do everything in here, but as we have the option for using classes, we will draw the ball and the rectangle and do everything under classes, so that that is helpful and you will understand everything by step. Let's start. Let's define a class where we will draw the rectangle. Okay, here we have defined a class named rectangular domain where we will draw our rectangle. Here define init self width and height. This width is the width of the rectangle, height is the height of the rectangle, as well as the frame we are using the same width and same height, you can see it. Okay, let's create a place in the memory. Self width equal to width, self height, and self border. This is for the border of the rectangle. Okay, let's draw the rectangle. Okay, define, we have defined the draw function. Draw, which will take the canvas and self as well. Okay, we'll draw a polygon to create the rectangle. Okay, for many on this concept may be complicated. Who are new to this second part of the program, they will find it so difficult than ever. Let me elaborate this. Okay, we have created the frame. Let's say this is the frame we have created, where the width is 600 and the height is 400, and this is the point 0 0. Now to draw the rectangle, which is the polygon, we'll have to define 4 points, and that is this point, and this point. Okay, this point is 0 0, and this point is from here 600, and height is of course 0. So this is 600 and 0, that's mean width and 0. Okay, let's see in here. Okay, here is the first point 0 0, this point, and self width 0, that's mean this point, and this point will be self width and self height, right? 600 and 400, here self width and self height. And then we'll define this point, and this is 0 and 400, that's mean width, self width, and let's see 0 and self height, right? Okay, then Here is the self border, which we have discussed before. Self border, we have given it 2, and I have multiplied it into 2 because that's so thin, and colored it as red. So we have defined the class, rectangular domain, and the method draw, and now we'll update it into the canvas. So how we'll do it? We'll simply simply draw it. Okay, so it should take it, but no, this will not take it. It will show error because it does not understand what is draw canvas. So we'll have to say the computer that where is this, where the draw canvas is, and it is under rectangular domain, which take width and height, right? Okay, first then we can do like this. Okay, name something as file field also angular domain, and give him the width and height. Okay, after this we can refer it here like this, field.draw canvas. So it will find, the computer will find draw canvas in field, and field is defined as rectangular domain. R should be bigger as like this. Okay, width and height. So we have drawn the canvas, and then we will have to frame dot start. So the canvas is drawn on the frame, and okay, let's see what we have done. Okay, we have done this. This is not good. I think this should be much wider. Okay, let's change it, like take it as 5 or 11, I don't know. Okay, this is looking good. Okay, we have drawn a rectangle on the frame, and now we'll draw a ball on that canvas, and we'll use the object oriented programming, and this is the you will learn by the steps the class, how you will use class to draw your previous programs, and this will be helpful and fun. Let's do it.